Now next question is, suppose X is again roll of a die. Then I want to find expectation of Gx, where Gx is twice of x square plus 1. So I'll do this in two ways. First, I'll use the formula for expectation in the discrete case, and then second, I'll use property number 1. So let us start by case 1. Case 1 is where we take the we find the expectation using the formula. So we know that x can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So Gx will be 2 into 1 raised to the power 2, which will be 1. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Then 2 into 2 to the power 2, which will be 4. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Similarly, 2 times 3 square, which is 9. So 2 into 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Then it will be 33, 51 and 73. Okay. And we also know that the probability associated with this will again be same, because we are here calculating the probability of x and not of x square or gx or 2x square plus 1. But while calculating expectation, I'll multiply gx with its probability. Okay, so expectation of gx will be 3 multiplied by 1 by 6 plus 9 multiplied by 1 by 6 plus 19 multiplied by 1 by 6 and so on, 73 multiplied by 1 by 6. So again I'll take 1 by 6 common. So I'll have 3, 9, 19, 33, 51 and 73. Sum of this will be 188 by 6 or 94 by 3. So this will be the answer for expectation of 2x plus 1, 94 by 3. Now let us take case 2. In case 2, I'll use the formula or property number 1. So the property 1 was expectation of a times x plus b is equal to a expectation x plus b. Here we have to calculate expectation of 2x square plus 1. Now since 2 is constant, I will take it out, x square plus 1. Here instead of x we have x square, but I have written expectation of x square. How is that? Because we have used property number 2, that to calculate expectation of gx we just need to replace gx with x in formula of expectation of x. So 2 times this we have already calculated. In the previous example. So this will be 3, 91 by 3 plus 3, 94 by 3. Again the same answer. I hope now it is clear how we can use the properties to quickly find answers to these kind of questions.